MacGyver. Hi. Are you gonna fix that? Yes, you are.
What?
You're gonna make sure you fix it, right?
Huh?
You're gonna make sure you fix it, right?
Yeah.
Why?
And I'll clean it.
Why? Because at the end of the day, what do? We are all cool.
Car's gonna be so cool. You're gonna call me Coolon.
And then?
And then I'm gonna show him that I'm not a Coolon.
What are you gonna
That
show
I
me?
can hammer a 16th nail through a fucking 2x4 with
Can you
my
look at me?
dickhead.
Can you look at me?
Hmm?